Hello students, good morning to all. So today we will study new exercise self practice 2L. Self practice 2L. Self practice 2L. So today we will study how to convert one unit into other unit. So today we will study about the unit of measurement, that how we measure the length in kilometer, meter, centimeter, decimeter, millimeter, like this. Okay. So first of all we study, see how the smallest unit of the length is the millimeter, that is 10 millimeter, small mm. 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter, cm, centimeter. Now 10 centimeter equals to 1 decimeter, dm, decimeter. Okay, cm means centimeter, mm means millimeter. Now 10 decimeter equals to 1 meter, small m. Now 10 meter equals to 1 decameter, DAM, decameter. Now 10 decameter, DM equals to 1 hectometer, HM, 1 hectometer. Now 10 hectometer equals to 1 kilometer. Kilometer is the biggest unit. Okay, this table, this is called the table of measurement. So see, all these are the multiples of 10. 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter equals to 1 meter, 10 meter equals to 1 decameter, 10 decameter equals to 1 hectometer, 10 hectometer equals to 1 kilometer. Now suppose if it is asked that how many millimeter make 1 meter. So see, from millimeter is here, how 1 meter is here, and you have to start, how many jump you have to make? 10 times 100, 100 times 1000. See, 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter, 10 times 100 centimeter, 100 times 1000. So 1000 millimeter equals to 1 meter. Here see, 10 decimeter, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So from 1 millimeter you have to see, from 1 meter to millimeter, how many steps you have to move? 1, 2, 3. 3 jump you have to make. So 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. So 10 times 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 100 times 1000. So 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. So how many jumps we make from here? 3 jumps. From 1 meter to millimeter, 3 jumps. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, then we are going comes to meter. Or you can also see, suppose here it is meter, and above meter how many tens are there? 3 tens. 10 times 100, 100 times 1000. Now then you are going to get the meter. Like this also you can go. So from millimeter to, see here, how many jump you are going to make? 1, 2, 3. Then you are coming to the meter. This means 1000 millimeter makes 1 meter. Okay. Now we have to do the conversion. Similarly, it will go in the weight also. Milligram, centigram. Like this, what we write on the place of mm, we write milligram and centigram. The same thing. So what we write? Milligram and centigram. 10 mg milligram equals to 1 centigram. 10 centigrams is equals to 1 decigram. 10 decigram is equals to 1 gram. Now 10 gram equals to 1 decagram, DAG. Now 1 decagram, 10 decagram equals to 1 hectogram, HG. 10 hectogram is equals to 1 kilogram, kg. Similarly, it will work in the capacity. The unit of the capacity is liter. Similarly, we write milliliter. 10 milliliter equals to 1 centiliter. Same thing. The same table will go for the liter also. What we have to do? Just we have to write on the place of gram, G, we write L, liters. Now see, 10 milliliter, ml, close to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliter equals to 1 deciliter, 10 deciliter equals to 1 liter, 10 liter equals to 1 decaliter, 10 decaliter equals to 1 hectoliter, 10 hectoliter equals to 1 kiloliter. Like this small L we put. Okay, now we come to the exercise. Here on the corner I will write millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Okay, milli, centi, deci, meter, decameter, hecto, kilometer. Now see the first question. 1a, we have to convert 3 kilometer into meter. 3 kilometer equals to how many meter? So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. See the relation, kilometer to meter, how many turns are there? See, meter to kilometer, how many turns are there? This is the meter and this is the kilometer. 1 turn, 2 turn, 3rd turn. So 10, 10, 10, 1000. Okay, so 10 millimeter equals to 10 decameter, 10 decameter equals to 1 hectometer, hectometer equals to 1 kilometer, that is 1000. So how many steps we jump? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 steps. After jumping 3 steps, then you reach to kilometer. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 3 kilometer is equals to 3 into 1000, because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 3 kilometer equals to 3 into 1000 meter, that is 3000 meter. So what is the answer? 3000 meter. Okay, now we do D. 2.9 meter into centimeter. 2.9 meter we have to convert into centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. See here, this is the meter and this is the centimeter. Above meter, between centimeter, how many steps are there? 2 steps. 1, 2, 2 steps. After 2 steps, we will reach to the meter. From centimeter to meter, how many steps? 2 steps. 1 jump and second jump. That is 100. So 1 meter equals to what? 100 centimeters. So what you write? 2.9. On the place of meter you write 100. So when you multiply the number of the meter by 100, it will be converted into centimeter. So whenever you multiply any decimal number by 100, decimal shifts to place right. So 2.9, decimal shift to place right. Here it is 1 digit only, 1 0 we have to add. So it will become 290.0 centimeter. 290.0. See, decimal 2 place right I have shifted. Right to the decimal, there is only 1 digit 9, so I add 1 0 more. Now it will be 2 digits after the decimal, so I shifted in the decimal here after 2 digits. 290.0 centimeter. Now we do the question number 2. B. 3209 centimeter to meter. 3209 centimeter. 3209 centimeter. We have to convert into meter. How many meters are there? So 100 centimeters makes 1 meter. Centimeter is the smallest unit and meter is the bigger unit. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. What is the relation we have? We have the relation that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So if you want to convert centimeter into meter, you have to divide the number of centimeter by 100. That is 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter. So what is the relation? 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter. See, if you want to write 1 centimeter here, transfer this 100, it will go to the left, and this 100 is multiplied, will divide the left hand side number. So 1 by 100. So what you got here? 1 by 100 meter equals to what? 1 centimeter. 100 you can write 100 into 1 centimeter. So this 100 centimeter we can write 100 into 1 centimeter. That is the same answer. So divide this number by 100, you will get in the meter. So 3209 divided by 100, it will convert it into the meter. So how much value? If you divide any number, decimal shift 2 place left. So decimal is here, 3209.0 you can write. It will shift 2 place left here, 32.09, 32.09 meter, 32.09 meter. Okay, like this we have to do. Now see the question number 3b. 3.7 kg into gram. We have to convert 3.7 kg into gram. Now again 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. 1 kg equals to what? 1000 gram. The relation we have that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So multiply this 3.7 kg into 1000. So when on the place of 1 kg we write 1000 gram, we multiply. So the answer will be what? When you multiply any decimal number by 1000, decimal will shift 3 place right. To the right there is only one digit, 20 more we add. It will become 3700.0 gram. That is 3700.0 gram. That is 3700 gram. Now we move to the next question. 3h. That is ton. 3h 2.9 ton. 2.9 small t for ton. 2.9 ton equals to kg. Equals to convert kg. See 1 ton. Ton means here 1 ton. TONN E ton. That is called 1 ton. 1 ton बराबर 1000 kg. 1 ton बराबर 1000 kg. So that is called the metric ton. So 1 ton is equals to 1000 kg. Okay, 1 ton equals to what, that is called the metric ton also. So multiply this 2.9, 1 ton equals to 1000 kg, multiply by 1000 kg. So now the decimal will shift 3 place right. 2900.0 kg. So 2900 kg. Okay, now we do the question number 4. 4b. 1800 gram into kg. 1800 gram we have to convert into kg. So how we convert 1800 gram into kg? Gram is the smaller unit, kg is the bigger unit. So to convert the small unit into bigger unit, we divide by the relation. Because 1 kg equals to 1000 gram, then 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg. So 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg. So whenever you divide the gram number by 1000, it will be converted into kg. So we divide this gram, 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kg. What we write on the place of gram? 1 by 1000 kg. It will be converted into kg. 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kg. That is 1800 gram is equals to 1 by 1000. See, 1 by 1000 kg. See, on the place of gram, what I written? 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kg. So on the place of gram, we write 1 by 1000 kg. Now the decimal, 2 zeros will be cancelled. and decimal will shift one place left. So answer what we got, 1.8 kg. So answer will be 1.8 kg. Because decimal will shift 3 place left. When you divide the number by 1000, decimal will shift 3 place left. 1, 2, 3, 1.8 kg. Now see the next question, number 5. For V we have done, now we do for E, 700 milligram. 700 milligram we have to convert into gram. Now again, 1000 milligram makes 1 gram. How much? 1000 milligram makes 1 gram. See, relation we have that 1000 milligram mg equals to 1 gram, and we have to convert milligram into gram. Then 1 milligram equals to how many gram? Transfer this 1000 to the right hand side. That is 1 milligram is equals to 1 by 1000 gram. So what we have the relation, 1 milligram equals to 1 by 1000 gram. So in the place of here milligram, what we write, 700 into 1 milligram is equals to 1 by 1000 gram. 1 by 1000 gram. Now it is converted. So 2 0 will be cancelled. It will be 7 by 10 gram. 7 by 10 gram means 0.7 gram. 0.7 gram. So what is the answer? 0.7 gram. Now we move to the question number 5b. 1.9 kilometer into decimeter. 1.9 kilometer into decimeter. Okay. See, it will be 10,000. So how we reach to the decimeter kilometer relation? 1 kilometer equals to 10,000 decimeter, because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter and 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. So 1000 into 10, 10,000. So we have the relation that 1 kilometer is equals to 10,000 decimeter. We have the relation 1 kilometer equals to 10,000 decimeter. So multiply it here by 10,000. That is 1.9 into 10,000 decimeter. So whenever you multiply a decimal number by 10,000, decimal will shift 4 place right. So after decimal there is 1 digit 9. We add 3 more zeros, that will become 19, 3 more zeros, 19,000 decimeter. So what is the answer? 1.9 kilometer equals to 19,000 decimeter. 19,000 decimeter. Okay. Now we do question number 5F. Convert 300 kg into quintal. 300 kg into quintal cube. So 100 kg makes 1 quintal. How many kg? 100 kg. So 100 kg makes 1 quintal. What is the relation we have? 1 quintal equals to 100 kg, and 1 kg is equals to 1 by 100 quintal, and 1 kg equals to 1 by 100 quintal. So here on the place of kg we write 1 by 100 quintal. See, now both zero will be cancelled. 300 kg will be 3 quintal. What is the answer? 3 quintal. 300 kg means 3 quintal. Now we do the comparison. 6a. What we have to compare? 5000 millimeter. 5000 millimeter. We have to compare with meter. 5 meter. Okay. So both we have to make the same unit. So how many meters contains millimeter? 1000. So 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. So what we write? 5000 millimeter. Here 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter, and here also millimeter. So both are same. 5000 and here also you are going to get this 5000. So what we write? Equals to. Both are same. 5000 millimeter equals to 5 meter only. Okay. Now E. Last question we'll do. 0.0087 meter, and that comparison we have to do with 8.7 millimeter. For doing the comparison, the unit of both the numbers should be same. Left and right hand, so left hand side and right hand side numbers units should be same. Here it is meter, it is millimeter. So convert this meter also into millimeter. How we convert this meter into millimeter? By multiplying by 1000. 0 multiply, see, 0.0087 into 1000. Now it will become millimeter. Now do the comparison. 8.7 millimeter. Here what you get? Whenever you multiply any decimal number, decimal will shift. You are multiplying the decimal number by 1000. So whenever you multiply any decimal number by 1000, decimal will shift 3 place right. So 1, 2, 3. Answer will be 8.7 millimeter. Here also equals to 8.7 millimeter. Both are the same number. Okay. Now we have completed this exercise and practice 2L. This is all for the today students. Now after that we will start our class after the summer vacation. So summer assignment also is uploaded on the school group on the school website. So from there you have to do the summer assignment. So now we last exercise will practice 2M. That will start after the summer vacation. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.